Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'll show you how you can check if someone is spying on your iPhone or not. Let's get started. For that, first of all, you have to go ahead and simply look at the top of your screen. If you see orange dot, it means the microphone is in use. If you see a green dot, it means the camera or both camera and mic are active. If you see these when you're not using a call or app, it might mean something is secretly recording. So after that, you need to go and simply open up your dial pad and then simply dial star hash 21 hash and then simply press call. Now if it says disable for all options, you're safe. If it's enabled and you didn't set it up, someone could be forwarding your calls. So head back to your home screen, open up settings. Inside here, scroll below, then tap on apps. Then inside here, source for phone and then simply tap onto it. Now inside here, if you see an option that says call on other devices, go ahead and simply tap onto it. And if you see any device you don't recognize, simply turn it off. Now head back to settings. Inside settings, tap on privacy and security. And then tap on location services. Look for any app with a purple arrow. That means it recently used your location. Tap on the app and switch location access to never if you don't trust it. Now after that, head back to settings again. And now tap on battery. Then inside here you have to look at which app used the most power. If you see an app you rarely use but it's draining a lot of battery, delete it. It might be a spyware. And that's it. That's how you can find out if someone is spying on your phone or not. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and sub and I'll see you in the next one.